Good afternoon. Sorry I can't be with you in person, but the weather has conspired against me yet again. Well, my remarks today will be brief and very few will be to the point because we don't know what the point is. That is to say, there's no clear judgment as to what Lag BaOmer is all about. Now, tradition says that it has to do with a mourning period following the death of some of Rabbi Akiva's followers in the second Christian century, followers who backed Bar Kokhba as the Messiah, and like the Kentucky Derby, if you back the wrong horse, you can be in more trouble than just losing your money. So our tradition has gotten up that this period of 40 days after the end of Passover is essentially a period of mourning, no marriages on during that period except the 33rd day, Lag BaOmer. It's the time when 3-year-old males get their first haircut. I had mine yesterday. It was not my first haircut, but in honor of the occasion. Well, 33, an interesting number, quite curious. Alexander the Great was 33 when he died, as was Jesus, which probably has something to do with why the highest degree of Freemasonry is 33rd degree. I told you that a few of my remarks would be to the point. Psalm 33 in the first book of Psalms is the only one in it that has no author in it, except for Psalms 1 and 2. But wait. If you pegged Passover on the spring equinox, then Lag BaOmer would come mighty close to May 1st, yesterday. May Day in the Christian tradition, Beltane for the Celts. Beltane, a holiday on which the Irish lit bonfires, familiar because that's something that happens on our Lag BaOmer. In Ireland, this is the day that it's time to get the cows out to meadow. But to go back to the connection with May 1st, May Day, I think we're talking about quarter days here. That is to say, halfway between each equinox and solstice, a 45-day period, there is in Christian and Jewish and secular and other traditions a way of marking that period of time. May 1st is an easy one, and I think that Lag BaOmer is essentially marking the midway point between the spring equinox and the summer solstice. We have others, by the way. You know of Tisha B'Av, but Tu B'Av, the wood offering, is about the same place as in its period at the end of August as this one is at the end of April, 1st of May. Shmini Atzeret and Simchat